darknesses surround us as we grope into the night. Then from out a distance, a light is beaming bright. Oh, what hope it gives us, even just a single light. What more could it give us when we all shine with our might? We will shine, shine, lighting up this wide world. We will shine, shine, wiping all the darkness with His love through our hands, with His truth in our hearts. Like the twinkling stars, we'll sprinkle hope all through the night. We will shine in this world of sorrow, darkened by the fruits of sin. What does it so needing but the light we have within? Like the light we'll sprinkle peace and goodness to this world. Love and truth will twinkle as we live true to His word. We will shine, shine, lighting up this wide world. We will shine, shine, wiping all the darkness with His love through our hands, with His truth in our heart. Like the twinkling stars, we'll sprinkle hope all through the night. We will shine. We will shine, shine, lighting up this wide world. We will shine, shine, wiping all the darkness with His love through our hands, with His truth in our hearts. Like the twinkling stars, we'll sprinkle